Hello! In this video I review Epson EcoTank multifunctional inkjet printer and check the print speed. I cover the following in the video, and for the full product setup check the next video in the upper right corner. First, let me give you model information, as there are similar models in this series and Epson is using two types of model naming. There is ET series and L series. I use L6276 white. The upgraded model is L6290, which has additional fax and touchscreen, and is identical to ET-4850. Specifications like inks, print speed, paper capacity and other features are the same. I start from an unboxing, and packing materials are not sustainable as still styrofoam is used. My model uses 101 inks. The black ink is pigment and you get 2 bottles out of the box, which is enough for printing 14,000 pages. This model has non-touch screen with operational panel buttons. Here I show how to operate the device and walk through some of the menus. Let's see the dimensions. It is a compact device with automatic two-sided print and automatic document feeder. The build quality has a little bit of plastic feel. The paper cassette is the only paper source for 250 sheets capacity. After loading the paper, I need to select the paper size and type. Here are the supported sizes. Also, borderless photo print is supported, which I do later in the video. Office and photo paper types with glossy and matte finish are supported. Favorite paper can be set for frequently used media. Let's see inside the printer. Here are the ink tanks, and each bottle has the mechanical ID, so you cannot put the wrong color to the sub-tanks to destroy the printer. The ink levels can be visually inspected, but they are a little bit too gray, so you cannot see the colors. Ink caps also do not have any springs like some competitor models. Find my competitor comparison in the upper right corner of the screen. There is no ink sensor in this device, so after filling up the ink tank, the level needs to be reset. And bottles do not empty completely. Few milliliters of ink is left in the bottle after filling up the printer. The maintenance cartridge is available and can be easily replaced from the back. So, no service is needed, and status can be checked from the maintenance menu on the screen. There are USB, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct and Ethernet connections available. on-screen help can be found to make printers' operations easier. As I cover connection to Wi-Fi network in the next video, there is Epson Smart Panel app with many functions. Let's print a PDF from the mobile. Again, as in the next part, I will show more about print speed and quality. In the copy test, I use automatic document feeder and auto two-sided print, because for these two features you pay more for these small office devices. I set color and two-sided in the copy settings. Let's start copying and I stopwatch. I put the video in the fast forward mode. Two pages were copied in 53 seconds. Let's see about quality. The two-sided print is not the best. Color dye inks in this model are absorbed into the paper, and this is why there is a lot of bleed through on the two-sided print. General document quality is okay. I only see some horizontal lines, which means that the print head is not properly aligned. There is no print head alignment sensor in this model, so the automatic print head alignment is not available. You need to do it manually. Pattern is printed, then as a user you need to enter manually the values based on how the pattern looks like. Also, colors are not water resistant and they wash out. Full pigment inks would do better. I also print from the computer in standard mode and draft mode. The draft mode quality is very washed out. As you may save additionally on the ink, this kind of quality is pretty useless. Next, I do photo print and replace the office paper with photo 10 by 15 cm glossy media. I print borderless photo and I connect printer in direct Wi-Fi mode. Find how to connect Epson printer with Wi-Fi Direct in the upper right corner of the screen video. Let me stopwatch the borderless photo print. And again I put into the fast forward mode. Two minutes and 30 seconds is much longer than 69 seconds specified in the official specs. The photo quality is fine for a 4-ink printer, with a bit of warm color shift, a bit too red on the skin tone, but good enough. I cover more about advanced connectivity and Epson Connect in the separate videos. Scan to Cloud is supported and email print, about which you find video in the upper right corner of the screen. And that would be all in this video. Find more about Epson printers in the EcoTank playlist in the description. If you found this video useful, give it a like and feel free to subscribe to support my channel, as this is free and helps me to create more content. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.